All right, folks, how you doing? This is a quick video here. I just happened to wake up and I had the TV on headline news, and this body count, unfortunately, with these tornadoes, are like at 80 now. All right, I don't think that they've reported all the losses and casualties, but there was an Amazon warehouse that caved in, and a candlestick factory that also partially caved in. Bowling Green, Kentucky, and it's another city out there near Bowling Green, Kentucky, which is kind of like headed out the southern part of Kentucky at the border. Okay, Tennessee was also hit. Mississippi from the residual southern Illinois and Missouri. And this is a really bad thing, that these storms have got to be modified, because these tornadoes are scaled, or they have had a path of 200 miles. Okay, like they rate these tornadoes at a certain gauge. All right, they was talking about it on the news, but it was like rated, as far as, let's just say, hurricanes are at not hurricanes, but earthquakes are at a Richter scale. All right, like the really powerful ones are at like 8. Okay, so it's a similar scale like for the tornadoes, but it was like the highest one. Okay, there were churches, houses that were just flattened. Okay, ripped to smithereens. Okay, people end up probably getting sucked in this thing, get thrown out like 2 or 3 miles out. Okay, I mean, it's not a movie at all. All right, I can remember seeing that on a movie. I think that Twister movie, but this is the real thing, and I just think that it's time to come together for the community, and also for these so-called spiritual FBI agent leaders, maybe to come together and pray for these people. Okay, and I have family out there in Tennessee, so I need to be checking on them, and I need to be, praying. And this could happen to you no matter where you're at. Okay, so I just think that it's time just to be fortunate that you're alive and breathing. Okay, I mean, the holidays, if you celebrate such a thing, just be happy that you're still alive. All right, because that could be you. Storm, it could end up coming where you are. Now I'm done talking about it. Let me know what you think about this video.